Today I'll show you how to fix Spotify not working problem. So let's start. So if you are facing your Spotify app not working, then just go to the setting. After come to the setting, go to the apps option and go to the all apps. Just scroll down and you will find the Spotify app. After come to the setting app info option of the Spotify app, here you can see lots of options. First of all, click to the force stop option and click to the OK option, and then go to the permission option, and then you can see my no option is allowed it. So allowed it option, no, not showing anything. So after click to the not allowed all the options, just click to the allow only while using the app, allow. After that, your apps will be run easily. So if does not work, then go to the storage and cache option, and then just clear the cache and just use your app. So I hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos.